You may never know who watched your video. You may never hear their story, but that doesn't mean that nothing happened. I believe this with all of my heart because it's how it changed my life. If you're pouring your heart out over your videos and your YouTube channel, but you're not seeing any results, you got low views, low subscriptions, you're not alone. I get hundreds of messages on my videos from creators who are struggling with this. They're ready to quit because their counts are so low. In this video, I'm not going to tell you how to get more views. Instead, I'm going to tell you why your views may be life-changing. That's right, why your videos may be life-changing. Stick around to the end because I'll share with you the one mind shift that changed my entire YouTube journey, and I think it will also change yours. Hi, this is old Mike, old me, living better. You know my motto, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. So here's my theory on this. You don't get to see the ripple, you only get to drop the stone. Can I say that again? You don't get to see the ripple, you only get to drop the stone. Every video that you and I make is like dropping a stone into somebody's life. Anne Sullivan was a stone dropper, but very few people have heard of her. But she dropped a stone into Helen Keller's life, and of course, she's inspired millions of people. Likewise, Mordecai Ham. Not too many people have heard of Mordecai Ham, but he dropped a stone into the life of Billy Graham, and Billy Graham has been heard by millions now. I look at over 100 channels every week. If you've ever commented on one of my videos, and you have a YouTube channel, chances are I've looked at your YouTube channel, and I've probably looked at one or two of your videos, maybe not all the way through, but enough to get a feel for what your channel is all about. Most of the channels that I look at have less than 1,000 subscribers, and their videos have less than 100 views. And the truth is, most of these channels have great content. They're inspiring and encouraging and helpful. It's amazing. If it were only a matter of analytics, you might conclude that this channel and these videos are failures. The problem is that analytics are not a good measure of the impact and the changed lives that can happen because of your video. Analytics do not measure the contribution you make in someone's life. Let me say that again. Analytics do not measure the contribution you make in someone's life. Now, here's a channel I looked at recently, Diane Breaking Free, Learning to Live Toxic Free. She only has 74 subs and 34 videos. But she's sharing life about being raised by a narcissistic mother, being married to a narcissistic husband. It's a powerful channel. And she's reached out to me because she was discouraged about the lack of response to her channel. And I got to tell you, I encourage her to keep plugging away, keep posting this content. It's great content, but it's not being seen yet. But who knows the one person that she's touched, that their life has been changed. And another channel I really like is Wisdom Shift. He has 114 subs, 50 videos, and like the name of his channel, he's got some great wisdom on it. These are powerful channels. I am so impressed with them. Check them out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can see for yourself. Here's two small channels that represent hundreds of the channels that respond to me in my videos. These are only two of the hundreds They're powerful. Your channel is probably powerful also. But if you're measuring it only by the subs and by the number of views, that probably is not the right measurement. You have no idea the stone that you put into somebody's life that is rippling in their life and causing great changes to take place. So if your channel has low subs, low views, here's the mind shift change that I think you need. I made this mind shift change about 2 months into my YouTube journey. Here it is. Don't focus on your passion, focus on your contribution. Oh, this is so powerful. Don't focus on your passion, focus on your contribution. Daniel Pink argues in his book, The Drive. Oh, what a great book. You need to get that book if you're a content creator. It's all about motivation. It's a powerful book. But in that book, Daniel Pink argues that what matters most in choosing fulfilling work or a fulfilling YouTube channel isn't chasing a nebulous passion, and I would add analytics, but finding activities that tap into purpose, the sense of making a meaningful contribution. I'm not chasing money. What's more important to me than making money is making a contribution into somebody's life. So about 60 years ago, I just graduated from college. I was about to enter into my first career, and to be honest, I was pretty full of myself. And some of you are probably saying, you still are, old Mike. I went to lunch with a retired pastor. He was 91 years old. And in that lunch, just in passing, it wasn't even a part of the structure or part of the real content. In passing, he said, Mike, he leaned across the table and said, Mike, you may be right, but there's a wrong way to do a right thing. That bit of wisdom has stuck with me for almost 60 years. So much so that I even did a video of it. And I'm going to link it in the description below, and I hope you go watch it because it's a further explanation of what that really means. That 91-year-old dropped a stone in my life that is continuing to ripple today. He passed away 1 month after our lunch. He never knew how he impacted my life. Did you know there are channels on YouTube where the creators have passed away or they've just given up on it? And some of those channels are still being viewed today, and those videos are being viewed today, and those videos are still impacting people today. When I'm dead and gone, I hope that my videos will continue to be a contribution, a stone into somebody's life. The truth is, we'll never know all of the people that our videos impact. So do you know what I do before I record any video? I've been doing this for months now. I did it this morning before I recorded this video. I say to myself today, through this video, I'll make a meaningful contribution into someone's life. Maybe it's going to be your life today. I don't know. But that frames my mind, takes away the agony of having to make a viral video. Well, I get a bunch of subs from it. Is everything perfect? No, instead, I simply ask the question, did I make a meaningful contribution into somebody's life today? And here's the truth I want to leave with you. You don't need a big audience to make a difference. You don't need viral videos and great numbers to change people's lives. You just need to keep dropping one stone at a time. Because the ripples don't announce themselves, they just move quietly through life. And they move far. That stone that was dropped into my life almost 60 years is resonating in my life to this day. And if you want to find out more about the advice that changed my life, watch this video here. It's the full explanation of it. And I did it early on in this channel, and I really love it. This is old Mike, old me, dropping one more stone. And I hope it has a rippling effect in your YouTube journey. Have a great day. And remember, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. I'll see you next time.